Thanks for joining us today. I'm Mike Weller with SoCalShortSaleSolution.com and Keller Williams. If you're struggling with your mortgage, if you're behind on your payments, you may be wondering what your options are. You might be trying to work out a loan modification. Hopefully you can get that if that's what you're looking to achieve. Keep in mind, less than 15% of loan modification applications wind up in successful permanent loan modifications. I just want to let you know about a very good option for a lot of people that a lot of people are not aware of. It was just introduced in 2010, and that is the U.S. Treasury Department's HAFA program. The HAFA program basically will pay you $3,000 to work with your lender to avoid foreclosure. So the number one advantage obviously is that you're going to get $3,000 from the program. The second thing is it will fully release you from the liability of your loan and of your note. And even though California is a non-recourse state, many mortgages and loans out there are indeed recourse loans, depending on if they were refinanced or what the situation was with the particular mortgage. So, which means that if your lender wound up foreclosing on you, they could still come back and sue you for the difference. So the HAFA program protects you from that scenario and from that circumstance. So far you're going to be paid $3,000. You're going to avoid any legal action and avoid the personal liability from your lender. And it's going to save your credit. It's going to protect your credit from a foreclosure too, which keeps you eligible again to buy in as little as 6 months actually, with a couple of lender special programs. But the general rule is under Fannie Mae guidelines, you can purchase another house in 2 years. And from all of the market data, nobody thinks that in 2 years from now prices are going to be any higher than they are now. If anything, they might be a little bit lower. So for a lot of people, it's a smart financial move to take advantage of HAFA, rent for a year or two, and then come back and buy another property at a great price down the road. And in the long run, you'll be in much better financial shape. And the last thing about the HAFA program is there's no cost to you at all. All of the costs of the program are paid by the government and by your bank. So it's a very forgiving program that was set up by the government and is instituted by the Treasury Department. It's definitely something to keep in mind as one of your best options to avoid foreclosure, especially if you're not eligible ultimately for a loan modification, if that's something you're trying to do. So to discover how eligible you might be for the HAFA program, please call us. Again, Mike Weller, SoCalShortSaleSolution.com. You can reach me at 714-989-6176. Again, 714-989-6176. I'd be very happy to sit with you, go through your personal scenario and talk to you about HAFA and see if you might be eligible for the program. So I look forward to hearing from you. Best of luck to you. Take care.